In the world of glitz and glamour, where the lights shine bright, it's easy to forget the battles fought behind the scenes. Today, we share a story of strength, resilience, and the overwhelming power of unity. Former U.S. talk show host, Wendy Williams, has recently shared a heartfelt message of thanks to her fans and supporters. At 59, after a decade of bringing laughter and lively conversations into our homes, Wendy faces her most personal challenge yet. The Wendy Williams Show, a name synonymous with candid discussions and entertainment, concluded in 2022, but the end of the show marked the beginning of Wendy's most courageous battle. Diagnosed with dementia and aphasia, Wendy has chosen to stand tall in the face of adversity. Her care team recently addressed the public to correct rumors, shedding light on Wendy's journey with health issues, including Graves Disease, Lymphedema, and now a diagnosis that challenges her very ability to communicate. Aphasia and frontotemporal dementia, conditions that steal away the essence of communication, have become part of Wendy's reality. Yet, it's in this reality that she finds strength in the unity and compassion of her supporters. In her statement, Wendy expressed immense gratitude for the love and kind words received. She spoke of the overwhelming response from fans, a testament to the indomitable spirit of unity and the healing power of compassion. As Wendy Williams navigates this chapter of her life, her story serves as a beacon of hope and resilience. It reminds us of the importance of support, the strength found in community, and the unbreakable bond we share in times of need. Let's stand together in support of Wendy and all those fighting silent battles. Share your messages of hope and unity, for it's in our collective compassion that we find our greatest strength. Thank you for watching. Remember, together, we can make a difference.